right, welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Going ahead and warning you, these are all going to be customer service based because I saw somebody left in the comments sometime over the last week that they were interested in customer service jobs. I am always taking suggestions and trying to find things that are what you're actually looking for. So if you're not someone who wants to do customer service on the phone, this video might not be for you, but I do have 5 customer service jobs that are hiring right now. One of them is even paying up to $29 an hour. I have full-time, I have part-time, and I have some non-healthcare and some healthcare, trying to mix it up, get us a little bit of something for everyone. So we are going to dive all in. If you're new here, we share work from home jobs daily, so make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on so you don't miss out. But first up, we have American Cancer Society. Now they have 1,900 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees. They have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote customer service specialist. Now please note it says this is a permanent remote position. It can be home-based anywhere in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions. They are looking for somebody to start February 26, 2024. So you've got time to get those applications in. But they're looking for somebody to provide enterprise customer service and technical support for donors, fundraisers, event participants, staff, and volunteers of the American Cancer Society through their different channels that includes phone, chat, email, and social media. So you'll work with a little bit of all of it. You're going to handle a high volume of inbound contacts regarding the ACS income generation programs, events, volunteer interest-related websites, and software, just assessing requests and implied needs, using appropriate probing and clarifying questions. So you might have to ask questions to understand exactly what the customer is needing. You're going to attempt first contact resolution using the technology skills and all that you have available to you, trying to just exercise your independent judgment and discretion and appropriately triage any urgent or complex technical issues. If you have complex technical issues that you can't help solve, you'll have to escalate those up to an appropriate level of staff support. Now they're looking for somebody who either has some college, you don't have to have a degree though, or a combination of 2 years of some kind of business experience, preferably in a customer service related position. They do desire somebody who already has a work from home experience. However, that's not needed as long as you have great communication skills, great interpersonal skills. You have the ability to read, comprehend, and deliver information quickly. Somebody who is highly organized. You can type at least 50 words per minute. You've got to be a self-starter, self-motivated with great attention to detail. Now they are looking for somebody who has flexibility in their schedule. Their hours of operation are 7 a.m. Central Standard Time to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, including weekends and holidays. So they want somebody who can work different shifts during those hours, but pay for this position is $20.25 an hour. Next up, we have big appliance giant GE. They have 19,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an inbound customer service agent for their consumer relations. Now, please note, it says that these opportunities are available for candidates residing in certain states. They do have state restrictions: Utah, South Dakota, Texas, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Mississippi, Kentucky, Ohio, and South Carolina. All other states, this one is not for you, but they are paying $17 an hour. And they're just looking for somebody to do that basic customer service, take ownership in resolving GE appliance customer concerns, including data management, capturing of all the facts surrounding complaints. So you'll follow the outlined steps that they're going to give you to resolve customer issues and complaints, responding to all letters of inquiry. You'll have to make outbound phone calls as well, following up with customers using phone, email, or text, resolving their appliance-related concerns, close out cases with successful actions. You'll have to find creative solutions that are best interest of the customer when negotiating and implementing concessions. They don't require any kind of college degree though, just a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of customer service call center experience, and somebody who can communicate effectively in English. You've got to have moderate to advanced computer skills, be a multitasker. You're going to have to navigate multiple computer screens and systems at the same time. And they do, again, prefer somebody who has experience working from home, but that's not required. But if you're looking for something more part-time, this next one might be for you. The company is Propelus. They have 43 reviews on Glassdoor. So as always, I urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do come in at a 3.9 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a part-time customer support specialist. Pay for this position is $18 to $21 an hour. They're looking for somebody to work 25 to 30 hours a week, assisting customers through chat and phone support, providing delightful customer service through casual, unscripted conversations, just answering customer emails that come in through the general support box, providing customer feedback and data to the internal teams across the different departments in the company, maintaining detailed product knowledge and engaging the customer education and support sales efforts. And then when you're not doing that customer support, you're going to help write internal documentation and tutorials on how to use the product so that can serve the customer as well. They don't require any kind of college degree. However, they do require 2 years of previous customer service or contact center experience, someone who can write in a clear and concise manner, someone who enjoys teaching others or explaining technical concepts in an easy to understand way. You've got to have patience in listening and be able to ask those different questions to get the information out of the customer you need. So you need to have high attention to detail. If you're more of a healthcare person and you're looking to work in the healthcare industry, these next two might be for you. First up, we have the company First Stop Health. Now, again, they only have 27 reviews, so do your own research. They have a high employee satisfaction rating, though, of 4.5 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a part-time remote patient experience agent. First Stop Health provides care with their convenient, high-quality virtual care solutions. So like telemedicine, virtual health, things like that, where you have an app, you log into our website and a phone, and you do like those video calls or conference calls with doctors. That is the services that they're delivering, and they're looking for somebody to provide outstanding customer support to their members. Now, this is part-time. They're looking for somebody to work 24 to 28 hours a week, specifically between 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time on weekends. Your shifts may vary, so you've got to be flexible, but they're looking for somebody to provide their members with that great customer service experience, taking calls and completing the intake process, just making sure you get that member all set up and ready to go for their appointments. So they do prefer somebody who has some college courses completed. However, only a high school diploma or GED is actually required. If you're bilingual and know Spanish, that's a plus, but again, not required. What is required is 2 years of customer service experience. They want somebody who has great communication skills, great organizational skills, and can use those computer systems like Microsoft Office, things like that. You've got to be a multitasker and getting that information input into the system while you're also on the phone with the customer. If you're looking to do healthcare but you need a full-time job, this one might be for you. SuperCare Health is hiring. They have 61 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5 star rating. They're looking for a collection specialist. Their pay is anywhere from $19 an hour all the way up to $29 an hour. But they're basically looking for somebody to work with their accounts receivable supervisor, responsible for collecting payments and applying those payments to the patient accounts for patients, clients, or referral sources. So you're going to have to understand rules and regulations, appeal processes with insurance companies, timely filing regarding the insurance billing and collection process, getting the insurance to pay, and then collecting any copays, deductibles, coinsurances, things like that from the patient, just getting their account paid and in a zero balance. So you're going to have to understand like payer determinations, contract fees, diagnosis modifiers, all of these. It's basically a healthcare billing position. You're going to record each transaction worked on a daily basis into a productivity log. You're going to read those explanation of benefits from the insurance company to determine the transaction billed, if it was paid in full, or again, if there's any patient responsibility that they need to pay. So you'll audit charts, verify documentation, just make sure all the medical records, everything is up to date so that these insurance companies can get billed. They are looking for somebody who has a high school diploma, 2 years experience in collections, and somebody who knows medical insurance payers, billing rules, medical terminology, things like that. They do prefer somebody who has experience in healthcare, someone who can be a multitasker. And again, you've got to know how to use those computer systems, specifically the Microsoft Office suite that includes Word and Excel. But they do offer a standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for hanging tight and watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Again, I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.